Tekub lagi boni pi Baroh ki Baroh jor ki baju sultan man baik kubor lajam hak ni channel bat kerpat roe pi ba ki badang thamai ba pin sobha ban subscribe ban share like ban ba pin yo shibun ki jing tip bat ki jing ya dai shapang ha kubor lajam ti hak ni step ru apa slam shu ti ngan wara shapi shapang ka we advertisement ka pelaj da ka DMHO EJH Hill recruitment ajarsan kita kilong ka medical officer nurse ANM extra kita kilong khat ratli ki post tingin nya pij akane ka advertisement mo ka DMHO recruitment ajarsan and the office of the district medical of and health office district health society EJH Hill district clear invites one's application for the post medical officer, staff nurse, ANM helper, DEO, cleaner and guard on contract basis. Tika DMHO EJH Hill ka application for namta ka post medical officer, staff nurse, ANM helper, DEO cleaner but guard kane kapus kane namta ka contract basis te kala state pan submit kan dei haka khatwe tare ko match ajar option te ki post kilong company ka post medical officer ka number of post ka dei line nata ka salary kan long drill po jar shibanai ka essential ka kedan pulih kelong MBBS degree holder for the recognized in institute and duly registered with the Medical Council of India. Ika kedan pulih kan belong balap pendep ya ka MBBS holder for nakano ka institution mo kabala itu da ka Medical Council of India. Teka post ka paar kalong Tika post ka bahar kadai ka staff nurse number of post kadai likely salary kadai 8,000 per month ka kedan pulih kadai pendep ka BSc nursing G hapo ka lani GNM recognize lani bala register da ka government nursing council tika post ka balai kadai ENM don likely ki post salary kadai khatnyo charsan spa sibanai nakta kedan pulih kadai bendon RSM in diploma in auxiliary nursing midwife and duly registered bala itu da ka Meghalaya nursing council ka post ka pasaw kadai helper coms DEO ka post number ka don likely nata ka salary kan dai khatla hajar shibnai ka qualification class 12 pass with diploma certificate in computer application ka kadang pulih kan dapat ka helper DEO ban dapat ka class 12 haka diploma certificate in computer application kapasan kadai cleaning staff kan number post de likely salary kan kandai jar kandai spa andrew tingka shibanai nang ka kadang pulih kan dapat class 10 lani 12 pass te kaban riu kadai guard ka number of post day likely salary and exposure shibanai ka kedan pulih kedai ban dep ya class 10 lani class 12 lani ki order kriteria ki way par kedai ka age limit as per government norms nang ta place posting is jangtia nang ta experience kedai ban don kema system ani arsnem work in the field or healthcare te kumno ban apply ya kane pat ka post mo te nya page hang kumno ban apply sia kane ka post DMHO hapo ka is jangtia health te ka interested for the eligible candidate and submit a application online kan dai hashwa ka khatwe tari adoption akapor sanmaji PM in monetary lana pila ban fill hapo ka Google form ka link mention hani ka medical officer ka to ka link ka tu nang ka staff nurse ro ka to ka link kila mention tu kila bu tu nang ka ENM ro kaling la don hang tu kila bu hang tu kila mention hang tu na chondong nang ta ka helper DEO ro kila mention hi hang tu nang ta ka cleaning staff ro kila mention hi hang tu guard ro kila mention hi hang tu the candidate should be used only a Gmail account for register in the Google form. Ki credit kila can use da ka Gmail account pan register hakane ka Google form. The credit are to upload the scanned copies of this biodata and relevant a testimonial certificate. Ki candidate kila pan upload ro ya ka scanner copy kum ka biodata relevant and test kila pan test ro ya ka certificate nang ta in single PDF file nang ta kin hable ro haka single tang ka we ka PDF no kata ka kanlong haka khatsan MB and the PDF file should file nang ta for the first and the last application in the Google form link nang ta got the date of written interview for the shortlist candidate will be installed at the date of time. Ya ka written test la ni ka interview kin sapen temo ya kata de parlok de ya ka link ro ngan sabu apo description kita check apo description de ka karpat e phi ba pin ya le dok kam kloi ban pendap ban le ya kani te la da pinang man pendap hero to le hi la da pinang ro sa pasha le ha po sai ba kin sai ram na po sai ba te la da pinang ban pendap hi te ka kam suki ba pendap hi ba le hi mana po ka kin form ro ka long hi ka basuk kam de than ka ba e ro data te sa pasang ban le hi ban pasang alub hi te wat kle ro ban share like and subscribe kle sibon